Assalamu alaikum and very good morning to all of my students. How are you all? Well, great too. I am very sorry that I didn't make a recording for you on time due to some bad health and due to some issues with my voice that I cannot record it well. But your teacher is back. So, which is this class? Yeah, this is your most favorite class, and it is all about arts. Yes. What do we learn and study in ours? Obviously, we do not study, but we used to get information and we used to get different kind of knowledge and we used to get knowledge from ours. Today, the important thing which I'm going to teach you in this lesson is about a bookmark. You people are having so many books and you people are using the bookmarks that has been sold in the markets on the different prices and you are just using them. But today, I came here with the different concept, with the different thing to make you believe that you can make your own bookmark very well. All you can need is a chart of a paper and a scissors. That's it. Then I will tell you that what you do. Basically, I have cut this paper without making any kind of measurement, but for you, it is very necessary to make measurement four of the sides together to make a complete square. Because if you are able to make a complete square, then you are able to make a complete triangle. Like this, I have told you that we need to make a triangle. See all of the edges. What I am going to do is this is the extra part, this is the extra part which I will be cutting now. I will cut this part now. See, I got a complete triangle shape. You are seeing this? A complete triangle shape. What is my next step? I'm telling you what I'm going to do with this. So make sure that your all the endings and your folding is very neat to make a proper bookmark. This is the shape of a triangle. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take this edge here like this. This and same I'm going to do with this also. I am going to do with this also. See, it's again the shape of a square. Make sure that whatever you are folding and you are doing is done very neatly. See, a complete shape has been done. Okay, now I have folded it very nicely. What I'm going to do is, are you done? Make it like this, square. Now open it. Open it like this. Done. You can see the edges has been drawn over here. What we are going to do is now we have to take this corner and we need to drag it to the other corner. See, like this. Are you getting me? Like this you are doing. Like this. Now your job is to take this corner, and drag in it, tuck in it. Look, tuck this in it. The thing you have folded, tuck this in it. Same, do it with the other thing. I'm hold this, then tuck in this one if it is visible to you. See class, how I have made tucked in it? This is a corner bookmark that is ready now. There are 4 easy steps which I have done, and they are too easy. There is no video I have made for you. All you need is that you need to watch this video again and again and carefully. I will show you that how we are gonna use this. This is our bookmark from both of the sides. And this is basically a corner bookmark. You need to place it in your book like this. See, your bookmark is visible. Have you got it? It is not that much difficult. Yes, there were only 4 easy steps. You need to take a piece of paper that should be of square, okay? Then it should be of 4 equal sides. You know very well that the square is always of 4 equal sides. And then you need to make a proper triangle. After that triangle, make a shape and hold it. This can be closed as well. It's kind of an envelope. See, it can be closed as well. You need to fold all of the sides and then open all the sides wherever you are seeing. Like if I'm going to open it again, see, this was the step now. This was the whole step, and this is the whole page. I have opened it. I am gonna close it the same way. I am gonna tuck in it because I think so. Tucking in it was a little bit difficult. This, and then the other tucking. And do remember that all of the things you are doing are with your hands. You have not used any kind of pencil. You have not used any kind of colors or anything. It is a very simple way to make a bookmark. Make it well, enjoy this, and practice it as well at your home to make a very good bookmark and place it in your books. Yes, and try to make 2, 3, 4, 5, 10, 9, 11 bookmarks so they can help you well. Okay, class? This is all about your bookmarks. This is a bookmark. Bookmark, and I can show you the inside bookmark. You can place it in the book. Again, I'm going to do, see, this is this much big that it can cover the whole book. This is a bookmark. So class, this was about today class. This is not that much lengthy lecture that I can need to prolong. So hope you people are enjoying your classes, and do subscribe our channel. Do tell everyone around you. This is a free channel for every child who do not afford the study, who do not afford the school fee. This is for all of them. Do watch the videos, do motivate your teachers, do subscribe the channel, do like the videos and make it views up. Thank you so much. I will be meeting you in your next class of Urdu. Take care of you and Allah Hafiz.